Sorry. Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. Sorry about that little froggy type of situation that just happened. It's quite early and I'm drinking my tea in my cup. Live well, laugh often, love much. So I'm going to be doing an unpackaging for you. It is quite early in the morning. I was going to do this video yesterday when I received it, but I received it kind of late. And honestly, I was just so beat and tired that I decided to wait until today, this morning. Or I was gonna do it later today, but I was like, hey, I'm up, why not, right? So it's basically, I received this package from Amazon. And where's my scissors? Oh, here it is. And I ordered it's not open yet. You see it's still sealed. Everything's all sealed up. I received, I ordered, this morning voice is not the sexiest. I ordered a, what's it called? Again. Pressing comb. That's what a pressing comb from Amazon, because mine, I'll show you my old one, is from Annie, I think. Yeah, Annie. That's my old one. And it just has a basic off and on switch here. The cord, honestly, is as short as my legs, and I'm only 5'3", so every time I have it plugged in, and I don't have it plugged in, but I'm just gonna step on the cord as if I do have it plugged in, and it's quite, like, you can see, like, I'm stepping on the cord, and this is basically where it would have, actually no, it would have been harder because I would have been in my other chair. This is my unboxing couch, okay? My makeup chair is over there. So this is the struggle that I would have to go through, but literally if I was higher, I can't get to my parts because this is as high as it goes. I hope this one is better. And this one, you don't have a a gauge for the temperature, so if it burns the damn hair off, then it is what it is, sis. Your hair is burnt off. It has burnt many towels. Many towels. I have like a raggedy towel that I always put it on, and trust me, that shit's black. Okay, so I have to cut this open. So this is what it looks like in the package. It's from Andes. Andes, I think, is the brand that makes barber equipment, like barber shears and stuff like that. So there it is. It goes up to 450. Yep. So it's a gold ceramic professional pressing comb. 20 variable heat settings. Very interesting. I like that. High heat straightens unruly hair. I don't have unruly hair, by the way. My natural hair is not unruly. Fast 30-second heat up. Swivel cord, yes. For tangle-free styling. This thing, honestly, it would like get here and I'd be like going like this and like, oh my gosh, and mess. Yeah. Bye, Felicia. So let's take this thing out of the packaging. Jeez. Can they make it with like little knobs and things just to like pull it from package? This is, I hate this. That's one thing I don't like about these thingamajigs. When you cut them off, they're very sharp. So, big reveal. Let's see about this cord. Because the cord and the heat was my biggest issue. I actually should go back and collect that one to see how short it is, but never mind. Her funeral is happening right now. I don't want to interrupt it. It has a twist tie. What do you call these things? A twist tie. I don't have time to try to twist this off because I don't know what direction it's going in because it looks a little weird. Okay, so right off the bat, let's see. I'm stepping on it at the same. Oh, look, the cord is long. The cord is long. I'm stepping on it. You see, I'm stepping. And the cord is long and it swivels. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And it's smoother than the Annie's one. It, like, the ceramic on it is very smooth. I believe this was a medium, just like that one. I think maybe I'll plug it in to show. Oh, then it just has this caution, this product can burn your eyes. I can't tell you the last time I got burnt in my face by a heating tool. My neck, yes, my neck, probably somewhere in my forehead up here, but that was like donkey years ago. Yeah, okay, let me plug it in to see if, hold on one second. Oh, I'm here, I'm just trying to, there we go. Okay, so we have our on and off button, and I will turn it on. Yeah, and it's flashing. So how do I adjust the, oh, the temperature, let's see, can you see? The temperature gauge is right here on the side, and watch me holding, it's hot already. Like, seriously, how long was that since I plugged it? It's hot. Like, yeah, dummy. Okay, so this is the temperature gauge. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Another thing that I really like about this is it has a, I don't know what you call this, like a kickstand, I guess, so that I don't have to burn my towels anymore. Isn't that great? Wow, perfect. Now, I have no reason to use it right now because my hair is in 2 braids with my little sleep stuff on. I'm gonna expose myself now. Yeah, so I will, I guess if I do a hair tutorial, because I did get a request on how I did my hair for my birthday when I used, what is this from? This is from Hot Tools. I used my Hot Tools crimper, and I did get a request to show how I did that one. I might or might not, I don't know if I'm going to re-crimp my hair because I'm not really going anywhere. If I decide to come back and just straighten my hair and show you, you know, how sleek it can go. This is hot, like I literally have it right here and I can feel the heat. I can feel the heat. No wonder it says, what did it say about the eyes? It said it'll burn your eyeball off. Oh, it's on this, it's on the little tag thing. It said it'll burn your eyeball off. But this is hot. It's hot. Wow. And the red light's still flashing. I don't know what that means, but it's only at 200. So what happened? Wait a minute. 1, 2, 1. I don't know. I have to put my glasses on to see this stuff. 1 second. And I keep putting this thing too damn close to my face. Oh, that's why I should wear my glasses. So it's not at 200. It is a 20 different heat settings. Yeah, 20 variable heat settings. So now it's at 20. So if it goes from literally 1, 5, 10, 15, and 20. I'm not sure why it flashes red. I guess that means it's not ready yet. But why is it so hot? This thing is really, really hot. And I'm about to turn it off because it's hot. Like, it's hot, like hot. I'm turning it off. Okay, so for the most part right now, I'm excited to use it. I love it, love it, love it. That will be donated to one of my daughters. Yeah, I have no use for that. It's just it's short, okay? The cord is short, and bye. So stay tuned for an update on how I like it. I'm sure I'll love it, really. There's nothing on here so far that tells me I wouldn't. I love the swivel cord. I love the cord that's long. I love the heat settings. I love the fact that it has a kickstand and that it gets so hot so fast. Like, literally, wow. All right, that's it for now, guys. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful week if you don't see me back in the week. Love you. So I just realized that I did not give you the price of the pressing comb. It was $32 and a penny, $32.01, and I ordered it on December the 31st, 2018. Shipping was fast. I will leave the link in the description box below so that it is easier for anyone who would like to purchase.